Hello and welcome to the Sonar Lite extension tutorial. Today we are going to give you a guided walkthrough of the extension, as well as give you a few tips that we've learned over the years to help improve your network and website performance. Sonar Lite is an in-browser network troubleshooting and web performance monitoring tool. After years of debugging and optimizing our own network, we decided to take the tools that have helped us and put them all together into an easy-to-use extension. First, we're going to show you how to add the extension to your browser. Please click on the link in the video description, which will take you to the Chrome web store. Click the Add to Chrome button, and you'll be prompted to add the extension to your browser. Click Add Extension. To start using the RUM tool, you're going to come over here and click on the Sonar Lite icon and open the extension. As of right now, we don't have any browsing data, so we will need to view a couple different websites in order to be able to compare them in the RUM tab. If you look up at the Sonar Lite icon, you can see that this website took 0.29 seconds to load. If we click on the icon, we can get a more detailed explanation with a stacked bar chart, which shows the different requests required to load the page. Now, there are a few things that you can do with the RUM tab. You can compare the website loads across different websites, or you can compare different load times of different web pages within a single domain. All you have to do is visit the page, click on the RUM tab, and then drop down on the website that you were looking at, and now you'll be able to see all of the web pages that you loaded. You can click on that web page to view a detailed breakdown, which will show you a stacked bar chart of all the different requests required. If you scroll down, you can click on Show Raw Data to view all of the information used to create the stacked bar chart. And if you want to clear this history for this particular page in this domain, click the button below. However, if you want to delete your entire browsing history, return back to the main menu and click Clear Browsing History. When you're going through your website and trying to find ways to cut down on load times, we recommend looking at decreasing the number of requests, minimizing your CSS and JavaScript, and looking towards using a CDN. This will drastically cut down on your load times. If you want to learn more about the different requests that we're looking at and look at our extensive documentation on how we calculate these waterfall checks, we advise that you look at our help site at help.constellix.com and look at the documentation on the Sonar Lite extension page. Now we're going to talk about the troubleshoot tool. Enter your domain name and pick a monitoring node. We recommend using your location or trying to find the location nearest your querying client that you're trying to troubleshoot for. And all you have to do is follow the directions, and we'll guide you through each step. This troubleshooting wizard is designed to guide you step by step through the debugging process and steer you towards the right way to resolve the issue. We've consolidated all the tools our network engineers have been using for years into one lightweight extension to streamline the troubleshooting process. If you reach the end of the wizard and you still have not found a solution to your problem, we recommend continuing on to our Tools tab, where you will be able to run detailed trace routes and find out exactly where the problem is coming from. The Tools section and the Troubleshoot section are both available in browser form by clicking on the button in the top right-hand corner. The Sonar Lite Tools section contains all the same tools that you've known and loved from the Sonar Lite mobile app. We recommend that you begin with a trace route. Trace route allows you to see all the network hops between the monitoring location that you chose and the desired server FQDN. You can check for multiple points of presence around the world to narrow down the source of a network issue and identify where traffic is falling off. A DNS lookup allows you to validate or measure the performance of your DNS against either a public resolving name server or your authoritative name server. You can do this lookup from any of our monitoring locations around the world. This allows you to quickly check that your users are seeing the correct DNS resolution worldwide in one single interface. The DNS trace tool will allow you to see the full DNS trace from root servers to the TLDs to the authoritative name servers. This allows you to debug any network problems and find out if maybe there's a misconfiguration along the way. You can also monitor your server using a TCP or Transmission Control Protocol check and see how your server is performing for speed and efficiency. You can customize by location from dozens of points within the Constellix monitoring network. You can also run an HTTP or HTTPS check. This allows you to verify if your web server is up and running from all of our monitoring points around the world. If it is responding properly, it will return a 200 status code. If you would like to monitor for more response codes, we recommend that you upgrade to the full Constellix suite. You can sign up for free on the Constellix website. You may notice that some of these checks are similar to what's in the troubleshooting wizard. We recommend that you use the Tools tab if you just want to run a quick check rather than having to go through the entire wizard. A whois check will tell you important information about your domain, like who registered it, when they registered it, and when it will be expired. We also offer 2 new features, such as the GeoIP lookup, which tells you the geographical location of the IP address, and delegated name servers, which tells you the name servers that are assigned at the registrar for your domain. We often find that the whois lookup will find one set of information, and then the delegated name servers will find something else. If they mismatch, this is important and you need to contact your registrar immediately. If you have any more questions, want to check our knowledge base, or want to submit a support ticket, please visit our help site at help.constellix.com.